Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we take a look at the Satoshi Girl NFT. We study what it is all about, its chart, and all that fun stuff. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. So this is the website of Satoshi Girl NFT, and you can access it by going to satoshigirls.co. As per the website, Satoshi's Girl is an NFT collection of unique, original, powerful girls on Ethereum Blockchain, each hand-drawn by us and the artists from step 1 to step down with a total supply of 500. Join our community on Twitter, Instagram, Discord to receive all the latest updates. You can access their social media platforms over here just to stay connected about the platform and to get informed about the new updates. So let's check its Twitter page, and this is the Twitter page of Satoshi's Girl. Currently, it has 3,153 followers and it's following 674 people. And over here, you're going to see all the projects. They are going to stay updated on it. So female-based projects are currently booming right now. And what makes Satoshi Girls so unique is that they are all hand-created. And basically, they are designed by artists using no computer software, which is kind of interesting as well, which kind of makes each of the NFT quite unique as well. And the total supply, as we already mentioned, is 500, and 26.1 Ethereum was traded to date, and still 160 on 500 is left to be minted. There will be a big sale on both primary and secondary market, and Satoshi's Girls have sold upwards of 1 Ethereum several times, and over 11 Ethereum already is being traded on the secondary market. It's a community-focused Discord with regular prizes for being a owner of Satoshi's NFT, and they also run Discord giveaways, competitions, etc., and they keep rewarding Satoshi holders with NFT prizes and Ethereum prize money. It's a very interesting and a fun place to be. Over here, we're going to take a look at the roadmap of the company. So the Discord launch has been already done, so they needed 10 unique owners. Then there would be a 20th sale where there would be giveaways, competition, and then there would be a 50th sale where 5 girls have been withheld from our initial drop, and they will be airdropped to 5 lucky Satoshi Girl owners. And the 150th mint is where 3 lucky Satoshi Girl owners can request a custom girl. Additionally, community is number 1, and we want you to work with us in determining Satoshi Girl's future. And around 200th sale, the 5 one-on-one Satoshi Girls will be auctioned off with 100% of proceeds going to the charity of the community choice. And during the 499th mint, the Satoshi Girls will be launched on rarity.tools, and there will be a launch of the official Satoshi Girls merchandise store. And that's also very interesting that they are focused on creating Satoshi Girls brand, starting with their own merchandise store, which reward owners with custom merchandise for the NFT they currently own. And their Discord is also very active, and it was basically started by a couple, and the female is the artist with the great team behind it. And this is the Satoshi's Girls platform in Opensea. This is where you can see all of the NFTs that they currently have. Quite interesting and exciting stuff. They are quite exotic as well, because over here you can see all these women. They look very beautiful, very exotic, so quite creative, I would say. So let's say if you're interested in purchasing this one over here, you're gonna click over here, and you can click over here to purchase it, or you can click over here to make an offer. Over here you're going to see that the current price of this NFT is 0.09, which is $405.40, and the sale would end on March 28, 2022. So that's basically how you go about the process. If you want to learn more about NFTs, you can check them out on the OpenSea platform as well and place an order. So overall, I would conclude by saying that this is quite an exotic and very interesting project, and there is a lot of potential for this project to grow. Again, it depends on if this project has a good marketing team, or it manages to grab the attention of public as well. But currently it has been doing quite well. Also, the concept is very innovative, and the idea to kind of reward the owners is a very good way to bring more people into this project. So definitely I would like to conclude by saying check them out. It looks again very promising as well. But again, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before doing any sort of investments out there. Thank you so much for watching. learning. I hope you guys really enjoyed learning about this new project. If you did, please check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the like, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay notified at all times. Thank you so much, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.